Is success about the money in your pocket or the thoughts in your mind? Some will tell you it's all about mindset, while others say money makes the world go round. What's the truth? Let's settle this once and for all. We've all heard the sayings, money can't buy happiness, or you need money to make money. But where does success actually begin? Is it your mindset that creates opportunities? Or is having money the ultimate game changer? Stick around, because this debate might change how you think about success forever.
Let me tell you a story of two individuals, Alex and Chris. Alex inherited a fortune, but never believed in growth. For them, money was the answer to every problem. But soon, the wealth began to slip away due to poor decisions and a fear of taking risks. On the other side, Chris started with nothing but a relentless belief in their ability to create value.
Chris used every failure as a stepping stone and eventually built a thriving business from scratch.
So, does money guarantee success, or is the right mindset the key? Let's dig deeper.
Money opens doors. It pays for education, resources, networking opportunities, and even a second chance after failure. Without money, many dreams remain just that dream. But here's the catch. Money alone doesn't solve everything. Studies show that over 70% of lottery winners go broke within a few years. Why? They didn't have the mindset to handle it.
On the other hand, mindset is the foundation. A growth mindset allows you to take risks, learn from failure, and build resilience. Even with no money, people with the right mindset find ways to grow, whether through free resources, networking, or sheer determination.
Think of Elon Musk or Oprah Winfrey. Both started with little to no wealth, but built empires through their vision, drive, and ability to think differently. But here's the controversial truth. You need both. Mindset without money is like a car without fuel. It has potential, but no momentum. And money without mindset? That's a ticking time bomb waiting to explode. Success is about using money as a tool, fueled by the engine of your mindset. What do you think? Is success all about mindset, or does money take the lead? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I want to hear your perspective. And if you found value in this debate, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Undefeated Warrior, and share this video with someone who needs to hear this. Mindset fuels the dream, money builds it. Together, they create success. Thanks for watching. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments about how you define success. And if you want to learn more about achieving your goals, be sure to check out my next video on personal development. See you in the next one.